I'm Pankaja. I'm a working professional. I had few years of experience in other domain like image processing and C. I wanted to shift to this new technology, Python. So I found myTectra was a place where I could learn this new technology, Python, under Raghu sir. And the classes which Raghu sir took were very interesting. All my doubts were cleared on the same day. We spent time executing lot of programs. All my doubts were cleared. We had a good interaction with all our few classmates, and also the interaction was very good with Raghu sir. I mean, there was a friendly interaction that helped me to gain a lot of knowledge in Python. So now I've joined a tech company with this technology. So myTectra helped me a lot in shifting my technology, and I recommend students to join myTectra to improve their skills and knowledge. Thanks to myTectra once again for helping me in my career.